Much love, fam, and welcome back. Today I am going to be doing my hair and just chatting with you, giving you a little update on what's been going on with my 20 months. And we're going to be doing a little bit of temporary hair color and some curls, of course. Are y'all sick of my curls yet? So definitely stay tuned. Like this video if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, let's do it. All right, you guys. So, this is the Farewell Beauty hair paint. It's not a hair wax. There's no wax in it. It's all vegan, all non-toxic. And you saw me and my daughter use it before. This is the same bottle or the same jar because we only used about half of it. I did my whole head, or she did it for me, and she did her bottom like tips, and this is how much we had left. So I've been wanting to put it back again because I wanted it with curls. I thought, oh my gosh, this will be so poppin' with some curls. So finally I'm going to take the time to do that, and I'll link above to the video where we did with the Farewell Beauty. I'm also going to link below to where you can get some, and I believe it's buy one get one half off right now or something like that, but I'll put my link below because I am an affiliate. I have an affiliate link, so I'm going to put that link below. So if you want to get some, use that. Anywho, my hair update wise, this is what I'm working with. I don't know if you guys can tell on the camera or not. Actually, I'm gonna take these off because when I go like this I can't hear myself talk. These are just gloves from it didn't come with gloves or anything. These are just gloves I have in the car for when I'm pumping my gas, or when I go into certain stores and stuff, I use gloves. So those are from that. But hair-wise, what's happening is we are at the 20 months. And so it's been a couple months since my last little update. Oh, I'm really due for, not due, but I feel like I want to retwist my hair so bad because it's got that kind of sticking togetherness at the roots, which makes it a little bit stiff to me. I mean, I still got movement, but just the feeling of it is really bothersome. So I'm really due for a retwist. As you can see, I'm about to do something else right now. I'm not retwisting. So, you know, I'll do that another time, an update about that. But I've noticed, you know, just growth-wise, of course, in 2 months your hair grows. So I can do myself a full top pony like this without pieces flying down, you know. Still not everybody in there because my backs was really short from that taper. But I am getting there for sure. And let me show you the back a bit before we do the red. I will say, I haven't done this by myself yet, so, oh, darn it, I'm still not going to get started because I have this, lock jewelry in my hair. This has been in my hair since I did that one style where I got these from Five Below. This one's been hanging on since then. All the other ones kind of was falling out, and I needed to find a better way to put them in. But this one's been hanging on. All right. So what other things with my head? I have been a bit neglectful with my washes. I have to admit that. I have not been washing as much as I usually do. And that's just, I don't want to say time because you can always make time for what you want to make time for. But I'm I just haven't felt like it. You know, I be in the shower so fast. I be in there and out, barely exfoliating and stuff. Um, which isn't very good. You guys know that. I need to take my time and do my usual beauty rituals because that's part of self-care, you know, is not neglecting yourself when things get busy and start to get busy. So I really need to be better on that because soon, you know, it's a slippery slope. It's a slippery slope. Once you start neglecting those things, you know, your hair regimen and your beauty regimen, then you'll start neglecting your other self-care, your yoga, your working out, your taking time for reflecting and whatever else you do, you know, your therapy, your reading. So I need to do that. So I'm not sure how long I'm going to keep this in because I want to do some other colors too, you guys. So when I have the other colors come in, I'm going to be doing that. But for now, I'm just going to do this with my curls. And once those are kind of done, I'll do a really good scalp scrub with the sea salt and take my time and then do a really good retwist. So with this, it's important to like really work it in. Me and my daughter found out when we were doing it before. Really work it in. Don't just kind of let it sit on top because if you do, it's going to do just that, sit on top. So you really want to get it in there so you don't have a lot of like fallout and stuff like that. We couldn't detect anything on our clothes, our sheets, or anything. At a point, it was like it was getting lighter, but you know, where was it going? But so make sure you work it in and you won't have an issue with that at all. So my plan is to put this all over, and then because it's going to be a little bit damp, I'm going to put the my little rag curler dealies in, rag curl pieces in, and I will link above to those in my other rag curls I've done above because you guys know I love me some curls. I've also done, you've seen me do a braid out. The braid out was, you know, wavier, looser, and it didn't stay as long as my rag curls. But when I want curl, I want some really, really curly. Yeah. So, not much to update you on the hair, basically. That's, you know, my two things is being neglectful on my shampoos and my hair care and growth, which is a given because it's been 2 months. But other than that, we're doing good. I have not changed my moisturization routine just yet. I know we're into the fall now. Chillier times, or supposedly chillier times. It's 80 something here today. We had like a couple days of chillier times and now we're back to same old Southern California. So I haven't changed anything there yet. I may go into a different routine as we get into this cold, dry, oh no, cold, dry weather. I don't really do my roots, you guys. I don't care about my roots, and I'm not trying to look like, you know, this is growing out of my scalp, so I don't care to do them. I just kind of go down the length of the thing. So that's it. So what's going on with you guys? How are you doing? I hope everyone's good. I hope you're having a good little Halloween season. And, you know, fall is treating you well. Let me know down below how you guys are doing. And we'll catch up like that. So I am going to finish putting on all of this. I might have to go in the mirror to do that. Actually, I don't care that much. Is that terrible? I don't care that much. I'm not gonna go look in the mirror to do the back. I'm just gonna put it on as I can. Maybe I'll show you guys how I do the back here. Oh, that was another thing. If you're curious about this, it did not make our hair feel dry. When we did the hair chalk, it really dried our hair out. Like I couldn't even stand the feeling of my hair. It was feeling like hay. And her hair was so dry. So it's not like the hair chalk at all. It felt the same for both of us. So if you're curious about dryness with this hair paint, there is none, or there was none for us anyways. So this is how I'm looking. I did look in the mirror just afterwards to make sure it was all the way worked in. And I have a couple that's not worked in back here, but as I'm putting on my rags for my curls, I'm going to kind of work it in a little bit more. But man, I just love this stuff so much. It's great for a quick color when you want a little change, but you know, you don't want to use like those hairsprays and things that can look kind of fakey, you know, like the Halloween hair colors. This looks, to me, it looks really good, like natural, and not natural, but you know what I mean. It looks like you did a step more than some spray, or more, you know, a few steps more than some spray or chalk even. The chalk was okay, but again, the dryness, and it wasn't as deep a color. This is the burgundy. Yeah, this is the burgundy, which you can see in here, it looks like that. But then on dark hair, it's like this. And my daughter's hair is a little bit lighter than mine. Again, I already linked to the video for you, and then I'll put it in the description box as well. But you can see how it turned out on her hair as well. And she's like, if you're doing hair types, I would call her hair, I guess, like a 3A or C or something. Don't kill me, I don't know the exact types, but in the 3s somewhere. Okay, so now that I am all, oh, and see, I mean, I just was gone from you guys for maybe 10 minutes, and already it's like in my head. That's very good. Okay, so that's what I love about it too. You don't have it all over the place. Your whole house is not looking red. So I'm going to do like I usually do with these rags and not worry too much. Oh, see, like this one, I want to work that in more. That's not, because it'll just sit there if I don't get it in my actual hair. That's a tip for using this color. So like I usually do with these rag curls, I don't really pay too much attention to placement and stuff. I'm just grabbing me some locks, and I'm rolling, and I'm tying. And that's all I'm doing. So in the intro, I was saying, are you guys sick of my curls yet? Because I think I have curled my hair on my channel about 5 times, maybe more. And that's not even, you know, counting the times I do it and don't film it. But I just really enjoy the body that curls give my locks. I really loved, you know, when my hair was natural, I loved that bigness, that volume, that, what do you want to call it? Like how it's so different. No, you know, you'll get different curl patterns, a little wild, big. I liked that. So this gives me that, but in my locks, because otherwise I would really miss that, you guys. I don't know if I would really miss it enough to take my hair down or not, but I'm glad I can curl my hair. Let's just say that. Let's just say that. All right. So I've got these linked down below for you as well if you want more of like a detailed lock curl or hair paint video with all the details in there. Go to that. Otherwise, I'm going to do this up right quick so y'all don't have to watch me do all this. And then I will meet you back. I have all of my rags in for my rag curls, and I know I missed one because I miss like one lock every time. So I'm going to show you guys the back, and if you see some sticking out, just know that I already know. So that's it. Usually I do this later at night, and then, you know, I sleep with them. And the good thing about rag curls is there's no like hard or stiff kind of thing in your head, so you can sleep really easily. But it's still pretty early here, so I'm probably going to take these down this evening. I don't know if I am going to go somewhere, but if I'm not, then perhaps I'll just leave them in longer, so I'll have a longer lasting curl. But I will put this bonnet on just in case, because I have not done the curls with the color at the same time. Actually, I haven't done it separate either, I don't think. But anyways, at the same time, even though these were like really, like right here, there's no, it's already pretty darn dry. Still, just to be extra sure, I will sleep with this if I leave these rags in. If I take them down and everything is dry and it's well, then I'll just do my usual thing, which is to sleep on a satin pillowcase. So that is it. Oh my gosh, you guys, that's it. I hope you are well. Definitely let me know down below how you are doing. And I will see you guys. Oh, I will take these down and then show you in a separate video how that turns out and style them and all that good stuff. So if you're wondering like, what is she doing? That's what's going on. So probably the next video will be these down, my curly red locks that I've been wanting to do. So anywho, I will see you guys all in another few days. All right. Bye.